So here we are again in Scotland's capital city, Edinburgh, and this is for SCOTS The Highlanders. The occasion is Armistice Sunday, November 2018. So the band are leading Tri-Forces. That's the Army, the Navy, the RAF. Unfortunately, at this point in time, my Rode microphone started to play up. Ended up sending it back under its 10-year warranty, and it's been perfect ever since. So this is now the Royal Mile to the cobbles. It's the road from Holyrood Palace up to the Edinburgh Castle. The guy there, Peter Grant, piper closest to us, he did the piping at the funeral of Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, in April 2021. There's Deacon Brodie's pub. Nice wee establishment, I've what to say. Callum Marr is the drum major, out to bring this tune to a halt. These guys are all serving soldiers in the Royal Regiment of Scotland. Now, unfortunately, Content ID, a system employed by YouTube, detects copyright in some of these ancient tunes. I'm not quite sure why it does, because they're over 100 years old and therefore out of copyright, but it does. So it makes posting these videos very difficult nowadays. So we're coming up to the roundabout where the tattoo spills out down to from the Castle Esplanade, and they turn right at that roundabout down Johnson Terrace. So yeah, every night during the Edinburgh Military Tattoo, which runs for almost the full month of August, you get the massed pipes and drums. That's 12 bands all marching at the same time, and they play Scotland the Brave and the Black Bear down the Royal Mile, wheel round into Johnson Terrace, where the luxury coaches are waiting to take them back to barracks or luxury hotels. It's quite narrow here. These bollards. So we're going to be passing Camera Obscura there on the left, and the Hub and the Whisky Experience on the right. And just before we get to the Castle Esplanade, we have one of the Singh Brothers shops, which sells souvenirs, aka tat, with the witcheries there on the right as well. That's a very expensive upmarket restaurant. So Passing the tat shop now. Won't be long till we're actually back on the Esplanade and off the Royal Mile. The Governor of Edinburgh Castle is waiting to take the salute of the troops as it arrives back to the castle after the Armistice Day Parade. So the tunes that are getting played just now are of course Scotland the Brave and the Black Bear. Both are deemed copyrighted by Content ID on YouTube, which is a real shame. They didn't used to be, but for some reason now they are. Maybe one day YouTube might see sense and stop this from happening. There's Edinburgh Castle there. Always a dreary day in November for the Armistice Parade. Always, always, always. This year we saw it come back, 2021, after missing it out last year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The band were two Scots, the Royal Highland Fusiliers, leading the Tri-Forces, all under the auspices of the new Garrison Sergeant Major for Edinburgh, Tony Gibson. Top bloke, by the way. Hi Tony, if you're listening. So we have just passed the Den, Major General the Webster. What's his first name? Okay. Who was the then Governor of Edinburgh Castle. And the old Garrison Sergeant Major, Scott, is coming up here now. I'm going to stop wittering on. Thanks for watching.